All right, and then the last problem is just to give you practice with an anonymous function. Now, one thing you need to know about anonymous functions, they're different than local functions in that local functions always go at the bottom. An anonymous function has to be defined before you use it. All right, so you're going to make a function here called score hand. And its purpose is to calculate the score of a blackjack hand. So that definition, anonymous function definition, something like this, okay, is going to go up here, and then the calls to it are going to go here. Now, how is this function going to work? It's going to be, we're going to keep it extremely simple. Just to show you what's happening here. The template is generating two hands, which are just numbers. They're just arrays of numbers. Right? So this hand consists of a 7, and a 9. This hand consists of a 10 and a 5. And then 11, 12, and 13 are Jack, Queen, King. Right? So this is a king and an ace. A queen and an ace. Okay. Okay. However, we're going to do this again just to keep it really simple. We're going to make it so that an ace always counts as just 1 point. Okay. In reality, of course, an ace can be either 1 or 11. We're not going to do that. So that we can do it with a one-line function, we're just going to make ace 1. Okay, so basically every card just counts as whatever the number is, with the exception of 11, 12, and 13, Jack, Queen, and King, which count as 10. So you can figure out, and we've covered everything you need to know. You should be able to figure this out. How can I use a combination of the sum and min functions to say, add up the numbers, but if it's more than 10, only count it as 10. In other words, give me the card value or 10, whichever is less. That's where the min function comes in.